Kumtor Gold Company also announced in June the resumption and expansion of the summer internship program for third and fourth year university students in order to provide a reserve of personnel with professional, technical, and leadership skills to provide practical work experience to young people and to identify and develop talents. The company selects students in various fields, which are determined based on production goals. In addition, the number of trainees in various specialties has been increased. From now on, the company will also pay great attention to youth support programs, creating favorable conditions for identifying and encouraging talented young people, obtaining valuable international experience using advanced technologies. So on June 22nd to 24th, 19 young specialists from various departments took part in the International Exhibition of Technologies and Equipment for the Mining and Metallurgical Complex and Rational Use of Mineral Sources Mining Week, which has held in Karaganda, the Republic of Kazakhstan. Following the results of the trip, the participants will present their proposals for solving various production and economic problems of the company, and the best projects will be recommended for implementation in the production at Kumtor facilities.